welcome back to the Opulence. Hey guys, how you doing? How you been? Today we got another nice clean unboxing. In my opinion, this is a certified classic. So I got the box right here for you guys. What it is right here. It is the Jordan 4 Black Cement or Bred Reimaged. So you already know, you see that they switch up the box. You got the red Jumpman with a white flight and the speckle cover lid right there, whatever you want to call it. So it says black. Oh, hold on. It says black, fire red, cement, gray, no. It's a size 10, which is in my size right there. You can see it. Okay. The bottom box is black right there. So I'm gonna flip the lid. You already see what it looks like. I'm flipping the lid for you guys. Bam. So on the inside, you see that the red on the inside. You got some code right there, some writing, the numbers and letters. Who knows? This box was a little damaged right there. I'm probably in transit. I don't know how that got damaged, but anyway, that's how it came in. I did get this particular one from Go. It's got the speckle paper right there. I'll show you seeing right here. See the speckle paper. If you pull that back like that, you can see the shoes are wrapped up. So I did get this from Goat, and the authentication card is here somewhere. So that's the authentication card right there. I'm gonna put that to the side. So this is wrapped up. We're gonna take the wrapping paper off. Are you guys ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! You see it there? That's the class. That is the Jordan 4 Bred Reimaged. That is so fire. Like, this is a clap. You already know. Okay, let me get the box out of the way. So this particular pair as well, which I got from Goat, like I said earlier, came out of the country, and specifically in Nike, Jordan Nike in South Korea, Seoul. And I know this because of this tag. I saw it, I had to do the research, and from the research, that's actually what they have on it over there. So that's there right there. So let's start from the bottom. And this Reimagine, I just had to do it. This is the bottom right there. You already see the heel right there. He has the red over there at the bottom heel right there, and then in the inner part, the white part in the middle has the white, and then the Nike swoosh in red. Then around that, it's got the gray surrounding that. Then the front tag, the front part on the toe area right here. The outsole middle, the herringbone is in white, and then the red on the front outsole right there. And then in the middle, you can see it's a gray mixed with white, and the air bubble is a gray, yes, I believe. And it's got white on the back of the midsole connecting to air unit right there. Then that kind of connects to the gray midsole right here. And then the leather on this is absolutely superb. It's so nice. I love it. I'm so excited to have this in my collection, and I'm gonna wear it a ton. I'm gonna make sure I put together some nice fits with it and stuff like that. And then going up to the netting in the front right there is in black, and then the lace is black as well. So is the tongue in black. The waffle eyelid is in gray, the light gray. Right there, that's the bottom one, and then that's the top one right there. And the tongue is in black. You can see the red jump band and the, is it gray or white? White. So flight imprint there, you can see it. And then we have the back as well is in gray. You see air, Nike Air right there. See that? This is just really nice. The eyelid, the plastic eyelid right here, the classic eyelid that's connecting to this tab, all black as well, which is kind of like a little soft than usual, not as plasticky as the other one, which is kind of interesting because yeah, it's even the back tab of this is softer than the one that I've unboxed, which is very interesting. I like that. The leather for me is top notch. It's really nice. You can see that net side netting in all black. The background is black as well. And the mix of the midsole with, if you look on this side, it has a black on top here, right there, and then a white on the bottom, just connecting it together, you know. And the other side, on the connection of the midsole of the front side is a gray. You can see that black also right there. For me, this is a clean man, clean Jordan 4. Like, so Jordan 4 lover or sneakerhead needs to have this Jordan 4 Reimagined in their collection. For me, this is a must. There's no excuses. So listen, I'm going to say something very controversial. I this particular Bred to the OGs. I know a lot of people is not going to like, and that's okay. You know, I don't have a problem with that. That's all right. But for me, I prefer this to the OGs, you know. So if you look at the mud guard right here, is all black. Everything is all black leather. The inner toe box too, everything going all the way to the middle and the back. Everything is all black leather. That leather is just so, oh man, it is quality. I love it. I love it so much. Just look at that. That's insane. So on the other foot, it was literally the same thing, but it has the tag right there, the black tag, which says Nike Air, you know, right there. So you can see the back Nike as well, the back tab, and then on the tongue on the inside, you have the Air Jordan right there, you know, upside down, I believe, right there. If I can stretch it, yep, right there. You know, so yeah, you got the black lace. It just comes with just black laces. That's it. So of course, I am going to be doing an on feet for you guys so you can see what it looks like when you pair it together with a nice fit. You know, man, I'm not gonna lie, like this is one of my favorite Air Jordan 4s. This Reimagine is just hitting it for me. I'm not gonna lie, it's hitting. Like, nah, bro. If you don't have it, you need it. That's what I'm gonna say. You need it, 100%. Like, you know. So yeah, Guys, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna give you a quick 360 what it looks front right there, the side, you know, with the tag right there, the hang tag in black and gray, the other side, and the back. For me, this is a must, like no excuses. You gotta have this in your collection. I don't care what anybody says, you know. So guys, let me know what you think about this particular one. You know, do you like it? Do you not like it? You know, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Boy, I got a lot of you guys. You can see everything here. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of gems for you guys, and we're gonna be doing a lot of fit videos as well. We're just gonna pick a particular sneaker, and we're gonna do 4 or 5 different fits that can go with it. Color opulence,